Right now, inside your body, trillions of cells are dividing. For most of us, that's perfectly normal. But sometimes, one of those cells goes rogue. It refuses to die. It multiplies without control. And silently, without pain or warning, cancer begins. But here's the shocking part: research shows that certain everyday foods, yes, common spices you probably already have in your kitchen, contain compounds so powerful they can literally make cancer cells self-destruct. Today, we're revealing the top 3 spices that science shows cancer cells absolutely hate, and how you can start using them safely in your meals. According to the World Health Organization, cancer is the second leading cause of death worldwide, killing nearly 10 million people every single year. That means 1 out of every 6 deaths is due to cancer. But here's the hopeful twist: the American Institute for Cancer Research has found that up to 40% of cancers could be prevented with simple lifestyle changes, especially through diet. And that's where our story begins, not in a hospital, but in your kitchen spice rack. In just a moment, we'll count down the top 3 cancer-fighting spices, backed by real scientific research, that can help reduce your risk and support your body's natural defenses. Stay with me, because number 1 is a spice most people completely overlook, yet it contains compounds that scientists call tumor terminators. You'll want to hear this. Number 3, garlic, nature's immune booster. Coming in at number 3 is a humble spice found in nearly every household: garlic. When garlic is chopped or crushed, it releases a compound called allicin, a natural sulfur-based molecule that has stunned researchers for decades. Here is why garlic is powerful: because allicin triggers a process called apoptosis, that's a scientific word for programmed cell death. In simple terms, it tells cancer cells, your time is up. In fact, a study published in the British Journal of Cancer found that people who ate garlic regularly had up to a 60% lower risk of stomach cancer in high-risk populations. That's massive. How to use it practically: crush 1 fresh clove of garlic and let it sit for about 10 minutes, this activates the allicin. Then add it raw to salad dressings, steamed vegetables, or even warm water with lemon. For real cancer preventive benefits, aim for 3 to 4 servings per week. And note that, garlic supplements don't deliver the same punch as the fresh clove. The secret is in the crushing and the raw enzymes. If you're finding this eye-opening so far, take a second to hit that like button. Not only does it help more people discover this life-saving information, but it tells us you want more natural health videos like this. Number 2, turmeric, the golden healer. Number 2 is the bright yellow spice that's been used for over 3,000 years in India and Asia: turmeric. Its active compound, curcumin, is one of the most heavily studied natural substances in cancer research. Scientists have published over 3,000 studies on curcumin's effects, and the results are remarkable. Research published in the journal Cancer Research showed that curcumin disrupts multiple cancer cell pathways at once. It literally shuts off the growth signals cancer cells use to multiply, and in lab models of colon and pancreatic cancer, turmeric has been shown to shrink tumors significantly. Practical use: add ½ teaspoon of turmeric daily to soups, smoothies, or scrambled eggs. Always pair it with a pinch of black pepper, because that enhances absorption by up to 2,000%. Consistency is key, make it part of your daily diet. And here's the cultural beauty: turmeric has been a staple in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, not as a miracle cure, but as a daily protector. If this is making you rethink your kitchen as a pharmacy, subscribe to our channel right now. We post new science-backed natural health videos every single week, and trust me, you don't want to miss the next one. Number 1, green tea, the silent tumor shrinker. And now, the number 1 spice, or in this case, herbal infusion, that cancer cells absolutely hate is green tea. What makes it so powerful is a compound called epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG for short. In a landmark study at Kyoto University, scientists found that EGCG significantly reduced tumor growth in mice with both prostate and breast cancer. And UCLA researchers confirmed that green tea compounds can trigger cancer cell apoptosis and reduce angiogenesis, the process where tumors grow new blood vessels. In plain English, green tea starves tumors while also telling them to self-destruct. How to use it: drink 2 to 3 cups per day of high-quality green tea. Steep at around 80 degrees Celsius, not boiling, for 3 to 5 minutes to preserve the delicate compounds. For maximum effect, pair it with a snack rich in vitamin C, like lemon or berries, which boosts EGCG absorption. And unlike supplements, which can sometimes cause toxicity in high doses, sipping tea is a safe and natural way to get EGCG. And here's a bonus insight most people don't know: when you combine these herbs together, their effects multiply. Studies show that curcumin plus green tea extract is far more powerful against cancer cells than either one alone. Scientists call this the synergy effect. And when combined with healthy habits like intermittent fasting, the anti-cancer potential skyrockets in animal studies. So never underestimate the power of small things working together. Let's recap. Cancer cells hate garlic for its allicin that triggers cell death. Turmeric for its curcumin that shuts down tumor pathways. Green tea for its EGCG that starves and shrinks tumors. You don't need to memorize all the studies. Just take small steps every day, crush that garlic, add turmeric to your meals, sip your tea with lemon. Which of these cancer-fighting spices surprised you the most? Have you already tried them in your routine? Let us know in the comments, we'd love to hear your story. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video with someone you care about. Next week, we'll dive into a video where real people share how they beat cancer naturally, a video you absolutely won't want to miss. Until then, stay informed, stay empowered, and stay hopeful.